Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide or show the code into Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know how to show or hide the code into Microsoft Authenticator, you just simply have to open this Microsoft Authenticator application at first. Then after that, just simply unlock the application. Then after that, as you can see here, my code is currently visible into this section. Now in order to hide the code, just simply tap into this three dots in top right corner. Then after that, you will get the option of hide codes directly. Just simply tap into that option in order to hide, and as you can see here, my code is successfully hidden. And now in order to show them again, just simply repeat the same process and it will give you the option of show codes. Just simply tap into show codes, then my codes is again showing. This way you can very easily hide or show codes into Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.